besides having the back bumper from BackwoodsBMP, they also hooked us up with the front bumper as well. So we're going to use the Torx head on this side, get the stock bumper off. We'll get this new one put on with the hardware they provide, and it also has a skid plate that'll help cover up the bottom of the sled here. So let's get it taken off. Just a quick visual comparison. This one's going to hold up a lot better than that stock one, whether you're hitting trees out in the backcountry, rocks, or anything else you can think of. The Backwoods is going to give a lot more protection than the stock Arctic cap. So we'll end up using the OEM bolts here for the ones up top, as the one in the hardware bag will cover up the ones on the bottom here, and also for the skid plate. So as we're looking underneath here, where this backwoods skid plate would go, fits up right underneath. We'll end up having to take each of these bolts out, because we'll reuse those, and we'll use the hardware kit for where your skid plate attaches that Backwoods provides here.